This is Tanin. Yes, Tanin is speaking to you, sir. How are you?
Fine, I'm fine, thank you. Oh.
This is Tanin. Yes, Tanin is speaking to you, sir. How are you?
Fine, I'm fine, thank you. I would like to wish you Eid Mubarak.
Thank you very much, sir, and Eid Mubarak to you and to your family and to all our brothers and sisters in Malaysia. And may Allah bring it back to us in a better, inshallah, way, inshallah. Gets better, inshallah.
Yeah. Well, anyway, it is very nice to be able to talk to each other, although it is only by a phone. I hope that we will continue this contact with each other. And I would like to again wish you Eid Mubarak, and hope that you and your family and the people of Qatar would enjoy a good life free from COVID-19.
Hopefully next time we can meet in person.
Yeah.
And I'm always available. If there is anything, please do not hesitate. I'll be very glad and happy and honored to receive your call. And I wish you, your family, and the people of Malaysia, inshallah, happy Eid. And inshallah, next year, the whole world, inshallah, will be in better shape from this pandemic.
Inshallah, shukran.
Thank you very much. All the best. All the best.
Thank you.